Hey, what's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. That Mustang actually was a patrol vehicle from a county sheriff's department. Unmarked patrol vehicle. Drive that around for a little while and then I'll sell it. But anyways, this video is about 2015 Dodge Charger. 5.7 liter Hemi, all-wheel drive V8 Hemi. The only way you could have got one of these is if you were law enforcement, so the general public was not offered these. If you go to Dodge dealership right now and you say, hey, I want an all-wheel drive Dodge Charger or an all-wheel drive Dodge Challenger, they are going to show you all V6s because they don't have any V8s. So this is an all-wheel drive 5.7 liter Hemi V8. It was silver from the factory and their color combo was black and silver. I'm going to do another video, if I still have this car in the next couple of days, where I'll put a perfect little circle patch that goes over there. It's like a vinyl patch. It's got the 18-inch cop rims underneath the wheel covers. Spotlight works. It's got a really nice leather back seat. And it's got carpet. So, carpet and floor mats. Nice back door panels too. See if this thing will focus. There we go. So anyways, it's got a little paint missing on the plastic bumper right there on the back. These are really hard to get. 5-point, all-wheel drive V8. Can't beat that. This will get up and go off the line quicker than the rear-wheel drive cars. Especially if it's a little bit damp out or a little bit wet out. This thing's going to get up and go way quicker than those rear-wheel drive cars because those things are just going to slip. You won't be able to go. Goodyear Eagle Ultra Grip tires. State troopers out here run on these all year round. I know that. Ultra Grip. All four tires have really good tread. It's a rear-wheel drive. It's a rear-wheel based vehicle. When the rear wheels lose traction, the front tires start to go. USB and auxiliary. Obviously, they had their radio lights and siren box right here. So there's no center console in these. The column, the shifter's up here. It's not actually out of the column, but it's right, comes out of the dash right there next to the steering wheel. So it's like a column shifter. Runs and drives great with absolutely no known mechanical issues whatsoever. So, Bluetooth system. You enter your phone right here. Hang up right here. You got this touch screen. So, turn that off. Turn off the traction control right here. Really nice car. Spotlight works. The headliner looks good. It's got a couple of these. Red when you push it to the left, white when you push it to the right. So, it's got 4,000 idle hours, something like that. So I might end up taking it. I might just take it to Mako and have it painted back to this. It was silver from the factory. I'll get it painted back to the exact same factory color. Maybe. It's got a little ding in the front right up here on the bumper. I'll show you. So I might just have this whole piece replaced and then painted back to the silver. Unless it sells pretty quick for a little bit of a discount, because there's a little ding right here on that. So that piece might just need to be replaced right here. But anyways, 120,000 miles, just over 120,000 miles. 2015 all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger. Pursuit Package. You'd be one of the only people that have one of these right now on the whole West Coast. There's a few people that have them now. I've sold a few of them. Sold like 7 of them. But really hard to get with all-wheel drive in the V8. And like I said, they weren't offered to the general public. So if you live in the Pacific Northwest or where it rains a lot or it gets icy and snowy in the winter, this is the perfect vehicle for you, all-wheel drive. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. You guys have a great day. Bye.